Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have an Office 365 account that can access the SharePoint library and the OneDrive Sync client installed. Open the library in your browser and click the Sync button near the top. When OneDrive prompts, sign in with the same work or school account. Grant any multi-factor authentication and tenant permissions. Once done, OneDrive will begin registering the library and preparing local folders, so keep that browser tab open while the client initializes. Now you pick which folders to bring to your PC and configure how they behave. In OneDrive settings, use the Choose Folders option to limit disk use. Enable Files on Demand to keep files online unless you mark them offline. Also set bandwidth limits and whether OneDrive starts with Windows so it doesn't slow you down. Make sure the library shows a syncing icon. If it stalls, pause and resume to force reconnects. These steps shape local storage and performance. Finish by opening the synced library in File Explorer. Pin the folder to Quick Access or create a desktop shortcut so you reach it fast. Mark any critical files always keep on this device to guarantee offline availability, and verify file paths if you hit sync errors. If something goes wrong, sign out and back into OneDrive or perform a OneDrive reset. Then confirm SharePoint permissions and that your storage quota isn't exceeded. That usually resolves the common issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.